Eh, yeah, we got it. We're live. Awesome. Hello, everybody. Today is Sunday, November 18th, 2018. Welcome to KicknGravel. We're going to go over the Bitcoin market update. First, let's dive into a bit of water. No coffee today, but cheers to you. I love this thing, by the way. It's made by KicknGravel. I'm not endorsed by them. They're not sending me any money. In fact, I got it from the what they call the grocery outlet around here. But it's a glass bottle. I love drinking out of glass, and it has this really nice outside to it that's kind of rubbery. You know what I mean? And has a stainless steel cap with a gasket on it, so it doesn't leak. It's pretty good, and it's tethered to that. I love this thing. That KicknGravel water bottle is amazing to drink on, but don't let it freeze, because obviously if you got water in there and it freezes, it could expand and break the glass. Anyway, moving on to the markets. Today's market cap is $186 billion. Still sadness. what else can we say? I mean, it's not looking good. Let's move into Bitcoin, shall we? BTC USD on the, let's go 1 day. On the 1 day. And let's clean up my chart just a little bit so you guys don't have to see all this mess. We're going to get rid of that. We'll just leave that on there. And we're going to squish all this down. And we're going to maximize this. Oh, it's going to be so good. It's going to be so good. You guys are going to love it. All right, here we go. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. It's getting better all the time. Boom. Okay, here we go. BTC USD on the 1 day. Coinbase. Here we go. We had some pullback here, and we're bottom bouncing, and we got a little bit of a green, which is exciting. It is super exciting. We've got some, what appears to be a golden cross. We're coming up in volume, and we're about to get a golden cross on God mode. But don't think that we can't get another red candle here before we get another green. So it's quite possible we do. All right. Another thing, too, is we zoom into the 1 hour, because we don't normally do this, but I just wanted to point something out to you. Okay. We got a big sell-off. It sells off even harder, and then we got a bunch of sideways action, right? And then we get this wick. Okay. This wick is highly suspicious. Okay. I mean, you can follow these wicks if you want, but if your indicators say don't buy it yet, then don't buy it, because most likely this is a market fake out. And I'll tell you why. What happens is it trades sideways, the market wicks up, and everybody who doesn't know how to trade is all excited and buys in. Then they get dumped on, and the price gets pushed down, down, down. Now, it doesn't happen every time, but it happens sometimes. For example, let's move over here. We'll just keep moving on down, right? Market sell-off, sideways action. We finally get some green, a wick, and then boom, sell-off, right? Let's see, what else did we get? Well, same thing. Market sell-off, sideways action, a wick, boom, harder sell-off. Here we go. Let's move on down here. They're kind of, they're all over the place. Here you go. You get market sell-off, a little bit of recovery coming up, a little bit of sideways action here. Then you have a wick up, and it goes crazy. It goes down. Wick up, it goes down. Be careful of those wick ups. So I'm just pointing that out, because they can oftentimes lead to a downtrend, and that is no fun. No fun for anybody who's in it and getting faked out. So LTC USD, let's move on to the day chart and flip this over appropriately. It's the same chart, absolutely the same chart. We're getting really nothing out of this right now, and we don't have clear direction other than hopefully, the funny thing is Bitcoin looks better than Litecoin right now, because volumes on Litecoins are dipping and lagging, which could be a telltale sign we could be going down further. I hope not, but we're at 41.93. Let's keep an eye on this. Moving on to Veritasium. Veri is still trying to find the bottom, but oh look, we had another wick. We got another wick down. So what I'm going to do is clean this up a little bit. Oh, and then I think what we're going to do here, we could continue our downtrend. Maybe that bottom is in already, because I'm looking at some of these levels. It's possible. It's possible. I don't know. Yeah, you definitely don't want to be in Veri just yet. If you don't hold any of it and you're waiting to buy in, this is not the time yet. We don't have a clear reversal yet. But if you've made some profit coming down here, or you made more, it feels like the bottom, but it doesn't. You know what I'm saying? But here we go. XLM, Stellar Lumens. Oh boy, look at it run. And what do we have here? We're at 44.05 right now, and this is the day chart. Let's move in to the hour so we can kind of see what price action has been doing. Oh yeah. Are we going to get a bounce here? Are we? Ooh, it's hard to say. A lot of my indicators are pointing down. We could be in the middle of a sell-off. So, yeah, be warned. Hopefully you've been looking at this. I will go back to XLM. It's been the market darling because look at this movement. It's looking so good, right? But everything else was selling off hard, and Stellar was moving up. So, yeah, interesting. All right, well, moving on to TRX on BTC on the one-day chart. We're still hoping to get a little bit of a bounce here. I hope that this floor holds where we're at and we can continue up. But again, this chart looks just like Bitcoin right now. So let's keep an eye on that. No real buy signals, but no real sell-off either. It's kind of it's eerily quiet. Here's Populous PPT. There we go. Look at that. Yep. Looks like this chart down here, all these indicators look just like Bitcoin. Populous at the bottom, not giving clear signals for which way it's actually going yet, but it's close. Maybe another day we'll start getting better direction, but it's not quite there yet. Most likely we'll be turning around, but we'll see. OMG, same chart, same situation. No clear buy-in signal yet. Let me look at the 4 hour on this. Oh, not the 3, the 4. Here we go. 4 hour does look like it's close. It's close to a buy. How about go back to the 1 day and look at Theta. Theta is coming down. We're at 1259 on Theta. Looks just like a Bitcoin chart. I'm telling you, all of these are the pattern. Pattern recognition is good, but this all looks the same. So, yeah, no clear buy signals yet out of Theta. Unfortunately, when we were back down here as what it was, we really broke bearish, like right around the 12th of November. So we're not, this is totally not a buy yet. We're hopefully going to wait until it goes bull. How about Digibyte? Remember, Digibyte came down, faked us out. It was going to go higher. We got all golden crosses. Things were looking actually really great that day. We got golden crosses except for on volume. Volume was still pointing down. And then, of course, it kept dumping. So let's move on to Pay. Pay looks like Bitcoin. Proppy looks like Bitcoin. Only with Proppy, let's set this back up here. Hopefully this means we're at a floor. That's what we're looking for right there. I do like this. Bearish engulfing candle. Looking good here. Proppy. Nice work. How about Human IQ? HMQ. What do we have here? Boy, it is right there. I like Human IQ. But it's still not given a clear direction yet. So wait for it. And Bite Ball. Bite Ball looking like a champion right now. Move on to the 4-hour chart. Wow. Nice upward movement. Looking good. We could see a potential more upswing. Yeah. GBYTE looking good. I think it's at 40. How about this one? GBYTE Bite Ball. $41.52. That's the dollar price. Oh, we're getting slippage. Look for it. Watch it. Watch it. All right, guys. I hope you guys have a blessed day. I get to go to Costco and find out what inflation really looks like. It is what it is. All right, guys. I will talk to you soon. Have a great day. I'm out of here. See ya.